Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are having a great Monday, and thank you for joining me talking all things Masters of the Universe. Today on the channel, we'll be looking at the final figure, single carded figure for Wave 14, and that of SPIKOR, the untouchable Master of Evil Combat. We'll take a look at the packaging. Unfortunately, I only have the one right now, guys. Until I get my second one, we'll do a follow-up video to take a much closer look at the figure. But we'll do our best to look at the figure, in the packaging. Of course, we'll look at the amazing artwork. And thanks to Pixel Dan and Dark Horse Comics, we will compare him to the vintage SPIKOR. So here we go, guys. Here he is. You have the Master Universe logo with the snake head and its new snakes from the other side. Of course, you get those vintage red rocks, those classic 80s rocks, card back, back in the day. SPIKOR. Here's the figure himself, right there. Looks like right out of the 80s, guys. Like, we went back in time, which is really cool. But there he is. There's SPIKOR right there. And of course, you have that really cool bubble with the snake scale or skin. But as you see, there is no Rise of the Snake Man sticker on this packaging, and some of the waves don't have this particular sticker on them, which is pretty cool. I wonder why. Like, most of them have that snake skin sticker on this bubble right here, and some don't. All right, flip around to the back. Here's some amazing artwork. Now, is this Rockton? I think he's taking on Rockton, I believe, and Extendar. I think they've both been announced from San Diego Comic-Con. They'll be coming up pretty soon in Origins. Of course, there's his call-out feature right there. His trident right there, his weapon of choice, that you can make it bigger, extend it if you wish. Of course, the cross-sell of the other figures, single carded figures in Wave 14, and I've done reviews for all these on my channel, including Waves 1 through 13. If you wish to go back and check those out, please do, guys, for any of my new subscribers, and thank you for doing that. And like I said, I will be getting the same figures again, and I will be able to unbox them and stuff like that, and give you guys a much closer look at each figure. In fact, my SPIKOR has been shipped out to me. I should be getting him pretty soon. There you go. There's one thing I also like to do with you guys, and I've said this before in my other Wave 14 reviews, is I like to look at the comic as well. But I'm not going to open this one yet because I want to see which one is, better as far as the packaging and stuff like that. Which card bag is, mine. This one here it looks pretty good, but you never know. There's a little bit bent right here right here, but we'll see and find out. But really, really cool, guys. Cannot wait to open, him up and show it to you guys in our collection. All right. Of course, this is what he looked like back in the day. There we go. There he is. And apparently, back in the 1985, there was a variant that had the blue spikes right there. There was a fourth one, actually, right there. A common variant of SPIKOR featured 4 blue spikes down the center of the chest, or his torso, where normally would be a 3-spike one. So there was a rare one back in the day. There's his call-out feature right there. There he is, side to side and front to back. There's the artwork back in '85, taking on He-Man. But it looks right. I mean, one thing I love about the Origins, it's like going back in time and reliving our past, which is really, really cool. There's other figures in this particular wave and back in '85. Can't wait to get Cyclone. There's Too Bad right there. There you go, guys. course, we did get SPIKOR in the Masterverse line. An OG figure. I'm glad to have him in the collection, and I hope you will be able to get him pretty soon. Like I said, Big Bag Toy Store is starting to ship out some of these figures for Wave 14. This is where I'm getting my SPIKOR from, my second one. So just keep an eye on that if you have been able to pre-order him and get him. Really, really cool, guys. I love the purple. My first time owning a SPIKOR in my collection for the in the vintage style height and stuff like that. You know, of course I do have him in Masterverse, but you know, as far as disc scale, you know, to me this is going to be, you know, my SPIKOR, you know, because back in the 80s and stuff like that. So really, really cool, guys. And one thing I love, like Origins, like I said before, that you can customize them, you can change it up if you wish. Staying about the same height as the, you know, the vintage 80s 5.5 scale, with more posability. You can swipe parts out if you wish, and you know, change it and create a new figure if you wish, guys. It's one thing I love about these particular toy line. A toy line I've been really enjoying to collect and stuff like that, guys, and I cannot wait to get more waves. Can't wait to get Snake Mountain and, you know, the Eternia playset. Looking forward to other figures. I can't wait to get the Filmation style, you know, Origins figures. But really, really cool, guys. All right, one more shot of Evil SPIKOR right there. A must-have for any collector. Alright, guys. Like I said before, I will be getting a second one, and we'll do an unboxing on the channel. We can take a much more closer look at him, and we'll be looking at the comic as well. Can't wait to look at that. Comics have always been fun to read. But there you go, guys. There's a look at SPIKOR, part of Wave 14. I'm curious because this is my last figure for Wave 14. If we're getting any deluxe figures, I do believe the Skeleton Warriors might be a part of the Wave 14, and maybe that. I think the 4-pack, the repaint He-Man and these 3 Snake Men might be also part of Wave 14, guys. So I can't wait. Alright, guys, I'd like to take the time now to thank my subscribers. If you made it this far in the video and subscribed, please subscribe, guys. I love talking with you guys, all things Master Universe, like the Origins line, like Masterverse, and like CGI. Hit that thumbs up button, guys, that like button, and thank you for doing that, guys. That means a lot. Thank you so much. And hit that notification bell when you know I'll upload new videos. And tomorrow we'll be heading back to the CGI line. We'll be doing a few more figures. I do have a couple more figures that I have not shown off yet in our collection. Share this video, guys, who has a passion and a love for collecting Master Universe figures, like the Origins line, like the Masterverse, like CGI, you know, like if you like, you know, classics, or you know, Super 7 or vintage and stuff like that, you know. So, guys, hope you guys have a great Monday. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Take care, guys, and have a good one.